the cooking.
1 cup chickpea flour. Besan. 2. Green chili. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Half tablespoons black pepper. Cumin seeds. Jeera. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Half tablespoons baking soda. Brown onion and 1 cup yogurt to mixing in mixer. Add onion and yogurt paste. One tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Half tablespoon turmeric powder. Half tablespoons coriander powder. Half tablespoons warming spices. Add 1 glass water. Rest in 10 minutes. Let's dish out.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like this video. Another video. Share this to your